If you're struggling with a zipper that has come off one side, you're not alone. It's a common problem, but the good news is that it can often be fixed without replacing the entire zipper. Let me guide you step by step on how to fix a zipper that came off one side so you can get your clothing, bag, or gear back in working order. First, you'll need a few basic tools: needle nose pliers, a small flathead screwdriver, and possibly a new zipper slider if the old one is damaged. Before diving in, inspect the zipper teeth. If they're bent, you may need to straighten them gently with your pliers, as misaligned teeth can prevent the slider from reattaching properly. To start with how to fix a zipper that came off one side, remove the zipper's top stop. This is the small metal or plastic piece at the very end of the zipper tape, designed to keep the slider in place. Use your pliers to carefully pry it off without tearing the fabric. Once it's removed, slide the zipper slider completely off the tape. Next, realign the zipper teeth. Lay the zipper flat and make sure the teeth on both sides are perfectly straight and interlocked where they should be. If one side of the zipper tape is damaged or frayed, trim it slightly to create a clean edge. But be cautious not to cut too much, as you'll need enough material to reattach the slider. Now, reinsert the slider onto the side of the tape where it came off. Hold the slider in place and gently feed the other side of the zipper tape into it. It may take a bit of wiggling to get both sides evenly aligned in the slider. Once the slider is fully in place and the zipper is moving smoothly, your next step is to secure the fix. Reattach the top stop using your pliers. If the original stop was damaged during removal, you can replace it with a new one, which is available at most craft or sewing stores. Carefully pinch the stop onto the tape to ensure it's securely fastened. This will prevent the slider from coming off again in the future. Finally, test the zipper. Zip it up and down several times to confirm everything is aligned and working properly. If it's still sticking or coming off, inspect the teeth for any remaining issues and make adjustments as needed. Learning how to fix a zipper that came off one side isn't as daunting as it seems. With a bit of patience and attention to detail, you can restore the functionality of your zipper in no time. If the damage is too severe or the slider itself is broken, replacing the zipper may be your only option, but for most cases, this method works wonders. I hope this guide helps you solve your problem. Remember, a quick repair can save your favorite items and prevent unnecessary replacements. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance.